This video will guide you while replacing the rear crank seal in Mercedes S650 and this model year 2015, and in this car the engine is coming V12. The oil leaking between engine and transmission you can see here. For replacement of the crank seal we have to disconnect propeller shaft, catalytic converter and oil line and also torque converter bolt. So these are the electrical connection. Also for transmission and VGS, this gear selector lever. Then we can remove the transmission. So these are the bolt of propeller shaft. Little bit difficult because oxygen sensor is the connectors is the very height and very less space on the top. There are two, one upstream and second one downstream. Too much oil leaking, so we have to for here removing rotating the engine we can use 27 ohm socket box. Then we can rotate the engine for removing torque converter bolt, and this is the new crank seal. These are the requirement. I got it